Welcome to Ganesh Smart Fill, a refill station revolution that's helping India move one step closer to being plastic free. Every day, millions of plastic sachets from shampoos, oils, and soaps are thrown away after just one use. These tiny plastics are difficult to recycle and end up polluting our environment, clogging drains, choking animals, and piling up in landfills. But what if we could eliminate this waste at the source? That's where Ganesh Smart Fill comes in. A refill station for everyday liquid products, shampoo, dishwash, oil, and more, helping you reuse the same bottle again and again. Let's explore how it works. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest challenges we face today. In India, over 3.4 million tons of plastic waste is generated each year. A large portion of this comes from sachets and single use packaging. Most of this plastic ends up in landfills or wars, in our rivers and oceans. Burning it creates toxic smoke. Dumping it poisons the soil. And the sad part, most of this waste could have been avoided. That's where smart solutions like refill stations can make a difference, offering the same product without the plastic waste. Ganesh Smart Fill is one such idea. Simple, sustainable, and scalable. At Ganesh Smart Fill, customers bring their own containers or use reusable bottles provided at the station. They choose their product or shampoo, oil, hand wash, dishwash, and mop and refill the exact quantity they need. No plastic sachets. No extra waste. Just clean, simple refilling. It works just like a petrol station. Pay per ml, refill and go. Each refill helps reduce plastic waste and also saves customers money. No more paying extra for packaging. It's smart, it's sustainable, and it's the future. Ganesh Smart Fill isn't just an idea. It's a business with social impact. We plan to set up refill stations in urban markets, villages, and even weekly bazaars. These stations can be franchised to women SHGs, MSME units, or village youth. Each station can save hundreds of kilos of plastic per year and generate income for local entrepreneurs. Our target? 1 lakh liters refilled and over 10 tons of plastic prevented in just the first year. We are also partnering with FMCG brands to supply quality products in bulk, no more small packets, just smart dispensing. Ganesh Smart Fill is not just a refill station, it's a step towards a plastic free India. We invite MSME leaders, government bodies, investors, and citizens to support this mission. Let's refill, not landfill. Ganesh Smart Fill for a cleaner tomorrow, starting today.